Jon Najarian, you are on the screen right now. We got your shot back. I'm happy to have you back. I hope it stays. Gamestop.
Delighted to be here, Scott.
Yeah, we're delighted to have you.
Yeah.
Gamestop, okay?
Thank you, Scott.
Here we go again.
Gamestop.
Here we go again. Oh, what are you seeing in the options market to give us an idea about what's happening? Are you in there? What's the story?
Yeah, as you might imagine, Scott, I'm drawn to this like a moth to flame. This is volatility on steroids. And, you know, at the end of last week, that's regular February expiration, 3 stocks really stood out to us, both because of the surge in Reddit posts as well as surge in option buying. And those were GameStop, AMC, and BlackBerry, BB. So when we saw that, it built into the end of last week, Scott, and then it faded off. And that's probably because GameStop was bouncing a little bit on Monday. And on Tuesday, it dropped to about 55,000 contracts on the call side. That's pretty low. Yesterday, Scott, it pops up to 270,000 calls. So, in other words, 5-fold jump in volume yesterday. Similar jumps in AMC that went over 1 million call contracts from a low of about 155,000 last Friday, and then BlackBerry also. And all 3 of them saw outsized moves. In the case of GameStop in particular, I sent Prashant and the team some of the pictures, Scott, but it was just amazing. Today, they were buying 200 calls, and they traded as high as $46 for a 200 call, on down to about $12 just before we came on air. So there's a lot of fluff and a lot of, you know, I'm not trying to denigrate them, but a lot of amateur trading chasing those up so high with just 1 trading day to go, because obviously these options expire tomorrow. The February's expire tomorrow at the 200 strike. Just crazy. But, you know, that's kind of what goes on. You get a big herd move in there. If they catch it right, Scott, they can make a lot of money. Yeah. And if they don't move quick, you know, they have less and less time to get out.
All right, so, I mean, that could be enough for unusual activity, but it's not. You have one for us, at least one?
I have 2, if you'd like. Real quick, I'll give you silver, SLV, the ETF. They're buying June 30th expiration, 2750 calls. That's with the SLV ETF trading about 2650. And secondly, Scott, take a look over at NSC, Norfolk Southern, April 260 calls, with that particular stock trading almost exactly 258. I'm in both of these, and I'll probably be in the first one for about 6 weeks, the other one about 4 weeks.
All right.